Paul Gascoigne, yeah, he was fantastic. Every football player get this endorsement with Nike and Adidas and everything. And I don't understand that. I think Paul Gascoigne was the only one who didn't get it. So every time one of us got a pair of new trainers, and this time it was Alice Nyako, a midfielder from Ghana. Yeah. Paul Gascoigne had a little bit with the hammy, so he wasn't going out to train. So Alice Nyako took his brand new Nikes and put them in under his spec. They were standing there. He was so happy. Hey guys, look at my brand new ones. Yeah. We went out and trained for 1.5 hours, and we come back in, and there was no Nikes. They were gone. He looked over to Paul, and on Paul's feet, I'm not lying, the heel was cut off. They were painted with a pencil, and they were like ripped and whatever he's done. It took him an hour to do that. And Nyako was looking at these shoes Paul was having on, and he went, Paul, is that mine? No, that's not yours. So Alice Nyako went home, and the next day, the two black ones were standing there right in his face.